Today I am going to show you how to transfer a basic circle shape into a stylish party mask. We will cover a few simple steps together in this video. Make a circle, go to Effect, select Distort and Transform, and then Poker and Blow. Put the value more than 120%. It will look like a flower. Go to Direct Selection tool. It will show you some handles. Select the top handle and drag it down. We will tweak the handle until it takes the shape of eye mask. Now let's add a gradient effect to this shape. Make more than 4 and 5 points for better gold effect. Adjust the location and value of every point. You can add point according to your need. Give it pattern effect. Change the opacity and blending mode into multiply. Then give it gradient stroke. Reverse the gradient value of stroke. You can apply a range of colors and patterns to enhance this mask. See you in the next video.